me lady at the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're diving into an incredible story, the story of the Eastern Rangers, a story of passion, talent, and culture. Guys, this is a group of young Jamaican dancers who recently made their way to the USA, and trust me, they did not disappoint. From electrifying performances to representing Jamaica with pure pride, these dancers are taking the world by storm. Let's check out their journey and witness the energy they brought to the stage.
It's being a part of Eastern Rangers has been a pleasure, and I would encourage anybody to come and join this one.
Internationally, Eastern Rangers, it has brought me happiness. It has given me exposure to a lot of different things around the world, especially when traveling, even in Jamaica and abroad.
Eastern Rangers for me is a home away. We are systematic. It's a Solomon episode. We have to find the research. It's a Solomon, and I'm the overseas coordinator and logistics officer. And for us, for the past 10 years, it has been good so far. We have got the kids to get overseas experience, local experience, going to the hotels, going on various type of events, funerals, weddings, name it.
Martin Luther King Pride overseas. I mean, it's a privilege for us to come to Orlando every year to do this in the background and see some of our kids. And we have about 80 kids enrolled. It's an handful here tonight. We have our regular rehearsal tonight. Is that Wednesday night. All these kids are in school. They're going to get up there now to get up to school tomorrow. But it's hard work, and getting to Orlando your time, it's a pressure for us, but kids and baby projects. We ask you outside of us so that anytime we are coming up and we ask for assistance, please assist us. We have donation. You know, any sort of financial donation, they can give you a bank account, make you send the assistance to a bank account secretary, and make give you bank account information.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed that performance as much as I did. Go ahead, leave your comments in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. Until next time, ciao!